Now that you're familiar with the C chord shape, I want to walk you through a musical exercise that you can do with the C chord shape that will be musical, but it will also reinforce your fingers and the strength required to make the shape consistently and make the chord cleanly all the time. Now, this is a little bit of an unconventional exercise, but I found it extremely fun when I was first playing, and I think you will as well. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the video or visit 30daystoplay.com. So we're going to start with a basic C chord shape, the one you just learned. Index finger, first fret of the B, middle finger, second fret of the D, and ring finger, third fret of the A. Once you've made that shape, I want you to hold on tight because your fingers are not going to leave those strings. But we are going to move the shape. Here's what it looks like. We're going to do 2 strums on the C chord. And then we're going to move this entire shape. Each finger is going to go up 2 frets towards the guitar body. So this way, right? And we're going to move that ring finger to the 5th fret of the D, or the A, I'm sorry. The middle finger, 4th fret of the D, and the index finger, the 3rd fret of the B. And you're going to do 2 strums there. Do we know what chord that is? We actually don't care right now. It sounds cool and it reinforces the C chord shape. Once you've made that, I want you to go ahead and move it all the way up to the 10th fret. So your ring finger is going to zoom to the 10th fret of the A string. Your middle finger will be on the 9th fret of the D string, and your index finger will be on the 8th fret of the B string. 2 strums there. Right? And then now we're going to descend the whole pattern again. So 2 more strums on this shape at the 10th fret. And then you're going to dive bomb it way clear down to that 5th fret shape. 2 more strums. And then you're going to move it back to its home position, our lovely new C chord, 2 more strums. As I mentioned, this exercise is a great one for the C shape, and it will promote calluses eventually. But if you need a break, you can always take a breather and come back to this. This is just one lesson in a series where I'll take you from zero to guitar player in 30 days by teaching you the 4 super fun skills that'll get you hooked on guitar. Before you get started, you'll need to download the tabs, course guide, and 30-day checklist. To get yours, just click on the link in the description or visit 30daystoplay.com.